Hey everyone, welcome in this video. I will show you how to send DocuSign via email. So sending through email on a recipient ID is super simple. Now before we proceed, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 30 days free trial onto the platform DocuSign and unlock premium features. Now to get started, you can either choose any of these options, or what I suggest is click on the start and click on, like for example, envelopes. And if you want to simply sign a document, click on sign document. Now it will ask you to upload your document in here, then choose it from your local storage, and once you do that, you are going to be uploading anything else if you want that, or click on sign. Now this is the part where you need to add your signature, so just hold on a moment until it is going to be loading the adding signatures section. So just wait for a couple of seconds and you will be able to see that we do have the signature option on the left side of our screen. You can add it anywhere that you want. If you want to add multiple signatures, you can easily do, and also add your initials. So once you add these signatures, you need to click on finish, and then it is going to be asking you about your email that you want to share with. So you can simply enter in here your email, and that's how you can send DocuSign via email. Pretty easy. Make sure to subscribe if this was helpful, and see you around in the next video.